At least today, last couple of days have been about doing the strenuous stuff, and so now I'm going to slow down and do all the little tedious jobs. Take my time, do them slowly, do them right. Like sealing up all the big old holes I cut in the RV. And also mounting the air conditioner permanently so that it won't slide around up there. Right now it's just kind of sitting up there. So I'm going to go up there and figure out a way to securely fasten it. So I've already have an idea about it. Yeah, this box camper is one big old experiment. And you gotta love the speed taper, or whatever you call this, air conditioning tape. It's good stuff. Definitely gonna keep it in my toolbox. 3/4. Almost like it didn't happen. Camper now. I think that'll do it. Alright, so as you can see, my mattress has been cut up in a million pieces and not quite fitting, so I'm going to have to figure something out. I think I'm going to try the 2-inch memory foam on here, and I've got a topper that goes on here without using that, and see how it works. It's probably not going to be very comfortable that way, but I figure I might give it a shot to see how it turns out. The fridge is going to stay right here, and ideally, so the fridge is going to stay right in this position right here, and ideally I'm going to have like a little table that slides out from the bed down here, and just slides in and out, and then maybe another seat that's on that side. So we'll see about that, just so you can sit here and work on the lap, your computer, or eat breakfast or something like that, and then slide the table back under there later. But I'm thinking about removing this, and I'll show you the reason why. Anyway, as long as I have the trundle bed, it slides out like that. As you can see, part of the bed is blocked. It's at least like 2 or 3 inches underneath there. So this is a temporary situation right here anyway. This is not going to stay permanent. This is just why there's 3 of us in here. And if I remove this, it's going to make it much more comfortable to sleep on this bottom bunk. So I'm going to make a support system besides that. And I may have an idea about the windows here. I took this apart, and as you know from my last video, the bed frame is hitting the handles right here, but I noticed that the handles are on the outside right here, and I could probably gain 1/4 inch to maybe 1/2 an inch by drilling these rivets out and moving this on the other side, and hopefully these will be able to wrench down even further being on the other side and still work. It's going to be an experiment. I'm just going to see if it works, and hopefully it'll gain me enough clearance without these handles on it. I can take the handles off like that, and I could even cut like some of that off if I need to. But I've got to make that change so that I can make the bed. Actually, I don't need to do that right now, because I'm not going to make the underbed storage until after the use with the Trundle system is over with. And, my son, what we might do is the boat camper project, if you've seen some of my other videos, is out there. When I finish that, Could tow it behind this, and I could sleep probably, you know, 4 or 5 people on that, and my son could sleep in there separately at a campsite. So that's something that we may work on, but for right now, to make this useful for us, this is in place, and we're gonna try to use it this way. I'm gonna try to modify the bed system temporarily, just for this use, and then later on the bed's going to be configured so that I can have storage underneath it. So also, this is so thick. This is our old mattress, and everything is all cut up to, you know, fit the old system. What I've done is I found another 2-inch. This is a memory foam, like a topper, and like a full-size topper, very nice to sleep on. I found another 2-inch high density foam, high quality high density foam. And what I'm going to do is take this out, and I'm going to put the 2-inch high density foam, and then have this on top of that, so I end up with a 4-inch mattress. And I've also got a cover that goes over it, so it'll be nice and tidy, and not this, you know, patchwork system that I've got right now. Although I could use that, it's just I prefer to have it all encased and, you know, easy to move around. Not quite as thick. 6 inches is nice, but the thing's kind of too plush, actually. Alright, let me get started on this and see how far we get today. It actually clears these front two, so maybe I only have to worry about that right there. Yeah. Save on weight and just use, you know, basic supports. One right there, one on the other side. Ooh. Dang it, I see a problem. Bolt just happens to be right there. Nice. Alright, so that's my lightweight solution right there. Maybe 1 1/8. Dang, can't do that. Alright, there we go. Let the window close, you see the gap right there? Yep, but that did give me quite a big clearance. And like an inch and down 3/4 of an inch, something like that. Yeah, I'll just shave like a 1/4 inch off this. Got all the window latches done with the handles on. Make sure I got them pushed on good. Don't have them screwed on yet, but I'll show the results. No interference anymore. It works. So that's going to be all storage down there eventually when we do away with the trundle bed. In fact, that'll probably be the bottom of the storage cabinet later on. Got to get back to work on the boat so I can get a travel trailer made out of it. That's it. Some pressure. I don't know if my bed is going to weigh enough to force this thing in. Whew. Yeah, so like I was saying, for right now this is just going to be a trundle bed. Later on it's going to be storage. So I'm just going to configure it like that for right now. Main thing is get this thing out on the road and use it. Ridiculous. Oh. Don't order the 210-pound struts. gosh. Like, this thing will like throw me across the room. And to get the mattress on there and everything, although that mattress is not going to weigh 20 pounds. I read somewhere like it assumes your bed's going to weigh about 100 pounds, but that's nowhere near that. Don't know quite what I'm going to do about that. We'll figure it out. Figure something out anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.